guys, it's me again. Let's do another quick and short unboxing video. Come and join me. Alright guys, this is the Ryobi 1 Plus Cordless 3/8 Ratchet wrench. Let's start and open it. So same thing, this will also have the 6 years warranty if you register it online. In the box, as I said, it will just be a simple one. Can you get in the box will be the socket wrench, and also a skin only or tool only set, so you will still be needing a battery. You will also get the instruction manual and an attachment piece. This is how your wrench will look like off the box. So here's the trigger. Your battery access. And here the back to change to front or back. Now, one of the features of this is you can rotate it 360 degrees, whichever way you need the tools to be. Just make sure before buying this wrench is that you have access to all the 3/8 socket type. Don't make mistake buying a bigger one like a 1/2 inch or a 1/4 and you won't be able to use your 3/8 socket wrench. Let me just grab a battery and we'll give it a go. Alright guys, battery is attached. All you need to do is simply press this lever and you're good to go. If you want it in reverse or forward motion, just simply flick that clockwise or counterclockwise to have your desired rotation. As you can see, it also comes with an LED light which will help you when you're working in dark places or underneath the car. There you go guys, another handy tool care of Ryobi. So please do like and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Peace out. Bye.